Okay, so when we start looking at this, the same rules still apply. Okay, so you're gonna look at this and say, well, I don't know if you guys remember, but who's the kid and who's the, okay, they need to drop off their kid. Okay, so who's the kid?
Me.
The plus one. So how do I move a plus one? Minus one, minus one. Okay, so I have P over 3. Negative 2 minus 1 is going to be negative 3. And then what? I'm still trying to solve for P. How do I move this 3? It is divided, so what do we need to do? Multiply by 3.
Do that.
It's going to be negative 9.
That's cool.
Okay, so on the negative 9, should that be open or closed?
Should be open.
Open. And this says P is what? P is greater than, so which way am I going to go?
The left, the right. Oh, I knew that. No, the left.
To the right.
Oh, no, the right. Yeah, yeah.
Good job, Jared. Good job. It's okay. It's early Monday morning. Good. Can I scroll? Okay, let's look at this next one. I got 6 plus x over 2 less than 14. Okay, who's the kid? Who needs to move first?
6.
The 6. Okay, how do I move that 6? Minus 6 from both sides. What is 14 minus 6? 8. Okay, and then what do we need to do? Times 2. Okay, keep in mind, when do you need to flip? When we're multiplying or dividing, so the very last step, if you multiply or divide by a negative, you're going to need to flip that sign, okay? This is not one where we need to flip, but I do want to remind you because I know some of you guys are going to try to work ahead. Okay, so on the 16, should that be open or closed? Open. And it says x is what? X is less than, so which way am I going to go? To the left. Good. To the left, to the left. I'm so sorry if you're watching this from home. Jared thinks he can sing.
What?
Oh, I'm sorry, Jared. Did you forget his recording?
I am a great singer.
Yeah. Okay, if we look at number 5, what needs moved first? The 4 needs moved first. Why the 4 first? Yeah, so the 4 is the piece that's left alone. Okay, so that part needs moved first. So we're going to say, how do I get rid of that 4? Yeah, so we're going to say times 4. If I do it to one side, I have to do it to the other side. So 4 times 4.
4 times 4 is 16.
16. Okay, and then what?
Add 3 on both sides.
Add 3 on both sides. Do we need to flip?
No.
No. Okay, so on the 19, should it be open or closed? Open on 19. And then this says x is what? Smaller. So which way are we going to go?
Left.
To the left. Jared, don't yell in my room. I'm not boring, so I don't know who you're trying to kid. Math is fun. You hear people laughing at you? Like, this is crazy.
Math is lame.
What?
Listen.
Kind of like your football playing skills. Alright, who needs
Oh,
to move
I got
first?
-5.
The -5 needs to move first. How do I move a -5? We're gonna add 5. Okay, so 85 plus 5, 90. Okay, and then what do we need to do?
We divide by -6.
We're gonna divide by -6.
On both sides.
90 divided by -6.
Bro, who is that, bro?
-15.
-15?
Wait,
Okay.
don't we plus the 4?
Perfect. Okay, why are we supposed to flip?
Because we divided by a
Yeah,
negative
it
number.
changes.
Yeah, so we divided by a negative number, and what number was that?
-6.
-6. So other than the sign going this way, which way should go the other way? Okay, so
It's just erased 2 times. No, I got erased.
that's not my fault. You should know. I put it up there on purpose. I don't see how many of you guys are gonna. Okay, so we do need to flip, and so this on the 15 should it be open or closed?
Close.
Closed. And then this says A is what?
Bigger.
A is bigger. So which way we go?
No.
Or
To the right.
To the right. Bria, I want you to do chapter 10 book one. For period 7. I think it's period 7. Where's that signature? Chapter 10, okay. I have no idea. It's online. The words, remember? I think you do it in the book or something. Your little notebook. Okay, look at 9. We got 7 plus n over 25.
7 plus n over 25.
What needs to move first?
we need to multiply by both
We're going to
sides.
multiply 25 on both sides. Okay, and then what?
-7 on both sides.
-7 on both sides. Good. Do we need to flip? No. What is 25 minus 7? 18. Okay, should that 18 be open or closed? Open. And then this says 18 is what?
Yeah.
Oh, n is what?
Bigger.
N is bigger. I said 18. Bigger. Okay, it's gonna go that way.
You done?
No. Okay, 11. What needs to move first?
But yeah. No, the 3.
The 1. Okay, so we're gonna have 6 is greater than r over 3. Why does the 1 need to move first? Yeah, so it's the one that's by itself. Look on your, pull up your skyward. I'm pretty sure that looks like this message. But that chapter 10 is different than this one. Okay, and then we're gonna say times 3, times 3.
Mm-hmm. Times 3. Times 3. Take off that.
Okay, the 18 should be open or closed?
Open.
Open. And this says R is what? Smaller. So to the left.
Left.
Good job, Jared. I have one on my drawer. 13. We need to distribute first. Okay, so 9 times 4. It's gonna be 36. 9 times what? Times 1. Okay, there's a 1 in front of this A. So 9 times 1 is 9. And there's 1A with it. I just got like 2 left. Okay, and then what do we need to do first?
Minus 36.
Minus 36.
Yep, minus 36.
What is negative 135 minus 36? Huh? Negative 121?
41, yep.
Negative 141?
That's not right.
Hey, yeah, 171, yeah.
I don't know.
It's negative 171.
Sorry, it's Jared's fault. Okay, and then what do we need to do? Divide by 9. Do we need to flip?
Yes. It's a negative. Go on the negative, bro.
So it'd be negative 171 divided by
Well, let's
9.
hash this out. Do we need to flip or not?
No, ma'am.
Yes.
It's gonna be a negative.
Okay, so what did we divide by? 9. What kind of 9? Positive. Okay, so listen to what I'm saying. When you multiply or divide by a negative, we need to flip. So did we multiply or divide by a negative? No, the by means what did you multiply or divide by? And we multiplied by positive 9, so we do not need to flip. Okay, so what is negative 171 divided by 9? Negative 19.
Negative 19.
Okay, should that be open or closed?
Close.
Closed. And this says A is what? Quick, Jared. Less than, and so it's gonna go to the left.